People really underestimate the power of the unconscious in terms of sleep. So if you say you have a flight early in the morning and then you set your alarm, but sometimes you'll wake up right before it, even if it's 3 hours before you normally get up. I don't know if you've had that experience, but talking to your your unconscious is working even when you're asleep, which is amazing. So it's noted that you are, have a flight at 5 in the morning and you're going to have to get up at 4, and is waking you up a little bit before your alarm goes off. And that's amazing if you think your whole body is relaxed and you're asleep, but your unconscious is monitoring in that kind of a way. So if you think about that with people who wake up in the night off and on, or have any other sleep issues like can't fall asleep, or it's just so important to tell yourself before you're falling asleep to talk to your unconscious and say it's really safe to sleep soundly all the way through the night, and that anything that's on your mind you can deal with in the morning. And the unconscious hears you through a more relaxed state, so you don't talk to it like, and we need to get up and da 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 da. It's, you talk almost, that's why hypnosis works, hypnosis is basically like deep relaxation, and then you give the messages that you want your body, your unconscious to hear. And so if you can sink into like a more quiet, deep place, and then talk to your body from that with a soft tone. So, and just telling yourself, I know there's a lot going on, but everything that we need to think about, we can think about tomorrow. And for now, you can just completely relax and have a deep sleep all the way through the night. And, it's this almost hypnotic messages that you want to give your body. And of course, there's a lot of other little tips, like have the lighting dim, a good at least half hour before bed. Also, the circadian rhythms also respond to temperature, and it's going from warm to cool, because evolutionarily, of course, it would be cooler usually a lot at night. And so that tells your body it's time to go find somewhere safe and go to sleep if you're going to survive and pass on your genes. So that's why sometimes a warm bath will work, and then as your body's cooling down, that's a nice time. If it's that you have trouble falling asleep, those kind of things can work. No screens before bed, because that activates the brain in a way that makes it hard to unwind. And even if you do fall asleep, the sleep tends to be, you don't reach the deeper sleep states and as well. So it does interrupt sleep to have any sort of screen time before bed, probably about half an hour again. If you can avoid that. But a lot of times there are deep unconscious reasons that we're not sleeping well. So, seeing a therapist about it and really exploring what is all this backlog of stuff that I'm holding that's then haunting me at night and interrupting my sleep.